Now let us check all the examples of string handling functions. So your first function is string length. What is the use of this function? To count the length of string. It find length of given string. Okay, it is my comment. So here I am adding my header file. You can write it down or delete it. So first I am declaring my string str with size 50. Then instruction to the user is enter string. Then here I am using getS and putS function. GetS is your scanf function which accepts the string from the user, and putS is the printf function which will print this string on the black screen. Now for counting the length you are using function strlen. Here it will shows the function. Okay, now pass the string str. So this function will return an integer value. So to accept that integer value you need to use one integer variable. So here I am using len as my integer variable. You can declare it here or at initial state only. Now print the value of that len, like length of string is %s and %d, as this len is your integer variable, and then variable name len. Okay, save it as strlen function dot c. Okay, now enter string Priyanka. So it is giving me 9. Why it is giving 9? Because here I am adding this space so that it will consider it as a character. And now your count will be start from this only. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And if I am enter this string without any space, so it will gives you count as 8. Okay, that means character space is also your character. Now the next function is to print lowercase string. So the function is strlwr, and pass the string which you need to print. After executing this function, here you need to print that string. So use putS function to check your output. So use putS function and pass that same string on which you have performed lowercase operation. So after execution, first it will go for string length function. So here now enter it in capital letters Priya. So initially it will accept the string from the user, then print that string as it is. After that it will check the length, calculate the length, and it will print the value as length of 5. And the next operation is what? Perform the lowercase operation. Here you can add new line. Lowercase value of your given string. Okay, tilde, just add a comment here so that it is more clearer to you. Okay, now enter string in capital letters. Suppose P is capital or other are lowercase. So your output is all the characters in lowercase. Okay, now if you add all character as uppercase, so it will shows all the characters in lowercase. Okay, now the next operation is uppercase. In uppercase you need to change only your function, so just copy and paste it. What is your output? For uppercase and then function is strupr. Let us check it also. So if my string is prya, okay, so in lowercase it is showing me all the characters in lowercase, and for uppercase all the characters in uppercase. What is your function name? strlwr and strupr. Okay, now let us go for the fourth function, that is string copy. So for string copy function, you want to add another string. So first declare that string as a character str1 with any size, then enter second string, enter string str1. Okay, and here write enter string str, then use function getUs for str1, then putUs for str1. Okay, that means in this program I am accepting two string values for str and for str1. Now what is your operation? strcpy, string copy, pass both the strings str and str1, and now check for output. So write putUs your first string and then putUs your second string. Okay, so what will be your output? Let us check. If I am using first string as a Priyanka and second string as a award, so your output will be like string str is a award and str1 is also award, because I am copying this str1 to this str. Let us check the output. Here write printer okay. Now enter first string Priyanka, second string award. So initially it is printing Priyanka and award as it is using this putUs function, and now after string copy function my string 1 is award and my string 2 is also award. That means I am copying this award to this Priyanka, and if I am writing here str1 str, that means it will copy str to str1. Now check the output. Let's just add this slash n. Okay, Priyanka award. So after copy both the strings are Priyanka, because I am copying string 1 str to this str1. Now the next operation is string concatenate. So for string concatenate also write function strcat, then str comma str1. So it joins str with str1, and now check the output. What is your putUs? It will shows both this string and str1 shows only first string. Okay, first we'll check only str. So I am expecting my output as Priyanka award. Priyanka, second string is award. So my output is what? Okay, we'll add comment here for this copy function. String get right here. So string concat function, and what is my output? Priyanka hour. That means it joins string 1 with this string 2.